In this Bitpanda review, I'm going to be showing you if you can invest in this website and make money. I'm going to be telling you if it's legitimate or not and so on. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if Bitpanda is worth your time. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vijay Koshi. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best ideas about new websites, software and courses. If you want to get my number one recommended strategy that has helped me to go from 0 to 5,000 to almost $10,000 per month, you can click the first link in the description. It's a free affiliate marketing guide. So Bitpanda is basically a 100% legitimate website. You can definitely invest in Bitpanda and you can make money with it. Okay. So the way it works is you can make investments in cryptocurrency, stocks, ETFs, then you have commodities, then you have crypto indices, then you have precious metals like gold, silver, platinum and all of that. So Bitpanda is basically a European stockbroker. So if you're not from the Europe, you won't be able to invest in Bitpanda. If you're from the Asia, Africa or USA, apparently you won't be able to invest. You have to be in the European countries. So that's kind of like a downside. Only the European members can invest in Bitpanda. So if you're not from the European countries, stick around till the end of the video because I'm going to share a strategy that has personally helped me. I'm going to share that strategy towards the end of the video. So again guys, the cool thing about Bitpanda is that in the European countries, Bitpanda is regulated by the FMA, I believe the financial market of analysts. So these people have regulated Bitpanda. So it's 100% legit. You're not going to lose your money. It's 100% safe and secure. It's trusted by over 5 million plus users as well. The reason why I'm telling you that you should like believe in Bitpanda is because that it's really regulated in the European countries. So your money is safe. So I have personal investments in cryptocurrency, stocks and ETFs. Cryptocurrency, I don't invest a lot of money. I think about 2 to 5% of my money goes to cryptocurrency. Most of my money goes to stock and ETFs. So that's how I do the game. And you have precious metals that you can invest in this platform. So it's cool. You have more money in your portfolio. You can do all that. The way you can make payments to the app is that you can either use Apple Pay, then you can use PayPal, then you can do online transfers and so on. So the signing up is going to be pretty easy. You will have to fill in your documents. They will ask you certain documents in order to verify that you're a true and existing person. And in that way, you can actually get into Bitpanda. And talking about the pricing section of Bitpanda doesn't charge any money, but in order for you guys to invest, you need to be depositing at least 10 euros. So you have to be in the Europe guys. So the minimum deposit that you have to make in these investments like cryptocurrency, stocks and ETFs is 10 euros. If you have 10 euros, then you can easily get into the Bitpanda. And also for each trade that you're going to be doing, you need to be trading about €1. So it's not a lot of money. So basically everyone can invest in Bitpanda with just €1. You can start trading. So it's good, and they have a fee of 1.49% that every trade you make. It's actually very low. It's actually a competitive percentage. It differs from website to website. Some offers very high fee, but I would say Bitpanda doesn't charge that much of fees. I think 1.49% is pretty reasonable. So overall, Bitpanda is an amazing opportunity for the European people to get into the world of cryptocurrency, stocks, ETFs, precious metal, crypto indices, and commodities. And one cool thing about Bitpanda is that they actually teach you. They actually teach you how you can use this platform, or if you are actually new to trading, if you don't know how to use, if you don't know about cryptocurrency, ETF, stock market, or anything like that, they'll teach you about everything. They'll teach you how you can trade in cryptocurrency. Then they'll teach you Bitcoin ETF, which is a cool concept, and you will know about the recent trends. You can get to know about the bull market, bear market, and all of the markets. Then you'll get to know what is staking and so on. So you have academy in Bitpanda where you can learn about digital assets. So that's also cool. Let me show you an external platform where we can see some of the reviews of Bitpanda. So this is Trustpilot. So anything about 4-star review is actually, great. So it has 3.9-star reviews, which is not bad for almost 11,000 reviews. So I have looked into some of the 5-star reviews. They have pretty much good reviews. You can go through them, and if you filter out the 1-star review, you can see a lot of complaint. So the complaint is basically they are not getting good support system. So the support system in Bitpanda is actually bad. So that's only the downside I have seen in Bitpanda. Once you deposit, there might be some glitch that's happening in the Bitpanda, and people are not able to contact them. Once you contact them, they are not giving the customers the reply. And Bitpanda has personally seen this issue, and they have told about their lack of customer support. So sooner or later, Bitpanda will or should make their support system way better, so that complaints don't arise like this. So that's kind of like a downside I've seen in Bitpanda. So overall, it's an amazing way you can make some extra money. The thing about investing is that you won't be able to make money as soon as you enter into the platform. As you all know, investing is going to take a lot of time for you guys to make money. So if you invest in things like stocks and ETFs, obviously it's going to take you a long time. Maybe it's a long term game. So it might take you 5 years, 10 years, or even 20 years. So the more money you invest in stocks and ETFs, the more money you can be making with them. So that's the thing, you're not going to be making immediately any money. It's a long run game when it comes to digital assets like this. So that's basically it for this video of Bitpanda. So if you're out here looking for a way to make money quickly, not maybe not 5 to 10 years of your time, if you invest probably 2 to 3 hours a day, or even just 2 hours a day, I'm going to be telling you a strategy which has personally helped me to go from 0 to 5,000 to almost $10,000 per month. It has personally helped me. It's a free affiliate marketing guide. I'm not going to charge you or anything. You can find it in the first link in the description. So that's it, and I hope to see you on another review video.